I used to be so happy, but without you here, I feel so low.
Hello and good morning, everyone. It is Friday, August 19th, and it is 10:30, and we don't have practice today or tomorrow, but the drumline is going to Ohiopyle today, just to have some bonding time. And I don't know how I'm going to split up the footage between band camp. I'll figure that out, and I'll let you guys know. But for now, I'm just gonna combine like a week's worth and then upload it on Monday morning, and then do the same thing until next week, until band camp is over, and then it's gonna go back to daily vlogging. So I just thought I'd let you know about that. And yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a really nice day out, so let's go to Ohiopyle.
You just kind of sit in the water and it goes like over your back. Like I feel like that's what happened.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's better when like it's raining. I was wondering if you could decapitated here. Yeah. It's probably better when it rains.
I mean, you never know. Oh, your butt might.
That one's comfortable.
It's so pretty here.
What? I'm good with that. I gotta leave in about 2 hours.
Boo. Yeah, it does.
Imagine living here.
That'd be awesome.
It's really cool, but then again, there's like people that walk through here. So
Yeah, it's probably expensive too.
I don't know.
Oh, geez. Oh, just making my way across that. Say hi, everyone.
I'm Paul.
Hi, I'm Paul.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo.
I love Ohio. Oh, here we are.
Yay. It's so peaceful.
I just really want to take my shoes off yet. I like coming back here because there's not too many people.
Yeah.
There's not. Yeah, I kind of want to do that. You guys want to take off our shoes and just kind of walk around the water a bit?
This would be very fun to kayak.
I do. If it tells you anything, the water was about.
Oh, that actually feels good. It actually feels really good, and it is very slippery. You just want to sit down and put our feet in right here?
Oh my gosh. Let's not die.
We can't die yet. There will be no drumline.
Well, they'll be hilarious. We'll be there.
Yeah.
They can rebuild.
Huh?
Nobody's allowed to die yet.
Yeah, we can't.
I know. I was like,
After football season, we can die.
Yeah. After football season, we'll all go to the waterfall and jump off.
Yeah. Sounds good to me.
Winner.
There's a lot of Swifties here too.
Yeah.
You gonna join us?
it feels good. I should have put on sunblock.
That's nice.
I'm regretting every life decision. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to wear rocks.
Nope. One. Oh, those two. Nice.
My whole life is made. I skipped 2 rocks.
Woo! I think the most I skipped was like 5.
Let's try again. That smaller rock. Ow.
Skip twice. I am.
It skipped on the rapids. That
Woo.
was badass. Skipped 4 times.
Yeah.
Woo! Now we're all trying.
Nice. Look. 3 times.
You basically want something flat.
Okay, so how do you do this?
Okay, ready? Nope, 1. Nope. Bless you, bless you. That's not gonna be good for next week then. Bless you.
Still in denial about that. Oh my gosh. You're gonna just break something.
Probably. Trying to skip this big rock. Oh, I need to go over here where there's no other rocks to hit it off of. It's gonna make a really loud noise. Ah! Yay!
Way to go, Maria.
Woo! Oh.
That was interesting. Don't hit that kayak.
Nope.
Oh, that skipped once. That's awesome.
Did it skip?
Yeah, it skipped once.
Nice. It almost hit the boulder.
Yeah. A big
It had rappelling and whitewater rafting and all that.
kiteboarding. Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
But it's like a downward.
Yeah.
Oh my, that's cool. Yeah.
I really hope I don't see anybody I know here because a lot of people from where I live come here.
I'll probably see someone. It's not to have it enough, so.
Yeah, I know. Oh. It feels so good up here.
Oh, it is.
We should have brought our bathing suits. Oh, you can't even see the water. Oh, there we go. Oh, sorry.
Delaware. I mean, that's how long.
Under a rock.
I in Delaware.
Ugh. Allie, how do you feel?
On top of a waterfall.
I hate you.
A little dirty.
Yeah, just a little. Yeah, it is. Good thing I'm not super afraid of heights. Just a little bit.
I don't trust myself to sit on the upset. I didn't know this and then my center of gravity will go forward.
This is a really cool picture though.
I'm too good to you, I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted, I just don't understand it. No, I'm too good to you, I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted, I just don't understand it.